Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you if your phone is stuck in a headphone mode, then what you have to do in order to fix that issue. For instance, in this issue, what happens that if you use headphone jack or use wired headphones, you will be able to hear normally through the headphones. But if you eject your headphone jack and eject your headphones, then this icon still appears and you are not able to hear normally from through the phone's speaker, which means your phone is stuck in the headphone mode. Now, to exit that, what you have to do is you have to clean the dirt out of your headphone jack. So there might be a chance that something dirty is inside your headphone jack, and you have to clean that to fix that issue. So what you have to do is take a cotton swab, and from one side of the cotton swab, you have to take out all of the cotton and insert the tip or the straw into your headphone jack lightly, and I'm not responsible for any damages. You can do it on your own. You have to do it lightly. You have to take out all the dirt and gunk from your headphone jack, and you can also use a paper clip and use it around the edges of the headphone jack. And after that, once you have cleaned, check if the icon is gone or not. Once the icon has been gone, you will be able to hear again normally through the phone's speaker. So that's simply how you can fix the stuck in headphone mode of your phone. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.